how to change your tag on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your tags on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here and then scroll and then click complete your profile, and now scroll down until you find here gaming. Until you find add tag, and that's it. Now just click on it to delete it, and then select any tag you want here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.